This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Brad Hiltz. Welcome home to your private waterfront estate. 4 bedrooms west/3.5 baths, open floor plan with 2 master bedrooms. 1 a retreat and 1 on the first floor. Bedrooms are spacious with walk-in closets. The updated kitchen is generous west/double ovens and space to prep for large groups and open to a high-ceilinged in west/an abundance of stunning windows, natural light and water views. Oversized garage west/half bath and Rinnai water heater. Outside on almost an acre lot are prized gardens, mature trees, vintage copper gutters, a unique ground drain system, exceptional resort raised patio, accommodating driveway west/boat ramp, boathouse west/dock and storage barn.